Chicken nihari is ready. Nihari is a very popular dish in India and Pakistan. It is used in breakfast and dinner, both. The nihari is also made with beef or mutton. This is used with this garnish of coriander, ginger, and chilies and lemon. It is very important to use this garnish. Now, as you know, the nihari is a very spicy and flavorful dish. You can eat it with roti, chapati, rogni naan, or naan. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making chicken nihari. It's a very spicy, very traditional, and very tasty and a unique recipe. Now I'm going to start. This is 1.5 kg of chicken, 2 sliced onions, 1 cup of yogurt, 2 spoon of ginger and garlic paste, 4 spoon corn flour. You can use less corn flour or you can use more. It's up to you what kind of gravy you want. This is the garnish. Sliced ginger, chopped chili, and chopped coriander and lemon. Now this is the powder spices. 2 spoon of coriander powder, 2 spoon of red chili powder, half spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of cumin powder, 1.5 spoon of salt, and 1 spoon of garam masala or all spices. You must remember you can add or more if you want to. Now the nihari masala. The special chicken nihari powder. Dry ginger, half spoon of black cumin seeds, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, few cloves, 3 black cardamom, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 1 star anise, and half nutmeg, and 3 spoon of fennel seed. I am going to powder it and then put it in this gauze. Then I will tell you more. This is 1 cup of oil and I am frying these onion slices till they become golden brown. And then I am going to dip them up. The onion is now golden brown. Now I am going to take it out. This golden brown onion and put it in a plate. Then I am going to crush it and add it in the nihari when the nihari is half cooked, more than half cooked. This is the same oil which I have browned the onion. I am going to add ginger and garlic paste. I am going to fry it for 30 seconds. I am going to add the chicken. I am going to fry it till it become light golden brown. The water is dried in the chicken and the oil is separated. Now I am going to add these spices other than garam masala. All the spices will go in. I am cooking this in a very low heat so the spices don't get burned. Mix them. There is salt, red chili pepper, turmeric powder, cumin powder, and coriander powder. Mix it. Now I'm going to add this yogurt which I have beaten before. I am cooking this in a low heat. Please remember that. Now mix it. Now I'm going to cook it on a high heat so the yogurt get dried completely. I'm going to cook this yogurt in the chicken on an open lid so the yogurt get dried but the chicken don't get cooked very fast because we are going to add more spices. This is the nihari masala which I have told you about. Now I have powdered it As you can see, it's coarse. And now I'm going to put it in the gauze and make a bag of the spices. The yogurt is completely dried now, as you can see. Now I'm going to add 3 glasses of water. I've added 3 glasses of water. You can add more, whatever suited you. Now I'm going to add this spice mix bag in the masala and the gravy. Put it in there so it gets soaked on all the masala bag. Now cover it. Now I'm going to cook it in a normal flame for 30 minutes. It's cooking for half an hour. I am taking out this spice bag. I'm going to squeeze it so all the juices will go into the chicken gravy like this. Now I'm going to add garam masala powder or allspice powder. Mix it. Now this crushed onion, which I have fried, mix them. And now this is corn flour, 4 spoons of it. I added water in it. I'm going to add, mix it. Now I'm going to heat it up and cook it for a few minutes. Now it's up to you what kind of gravy you like. Some people like thin gravy and some people like thick gravy. So it's your taste. Use corn flour powder. It's really good for the chicken nihari because chicken is white meat. If you are making beef nihari, then you can use flour. It's much more suitable for the beef. Flour is much more suitable for the beef. Chicken nihari is ready now. You can add the tempering, it's optional. The cumin seed, bay leaves and dried chilies. Now I'm going to add the little bit of the garnish in the dish. This is coriander, green chilies and ginger slices. Now and these lemon, it is very essential to use this garnish in the nihari recipe. It's as important as the spices. Chicken nihari is now ready. I have garnished it with coriander, green chilies and ginger slices. Chicken nihari is ready. Nihari is a very popular dish in India and Pakistan. It is used in breakfast and dinner both. The nihari is also made with beef or mutton. This is used with this garnish of coriander, ginger and chilies and lemon. It is very important to use this garnish. Now, as you know, the nihari is a very spicy and flavorful dish. You can eat it with roti, chapati, rogni naan or naan. Please subscribe us and click on the bell icon of our channel Spice for Life.